Now for whiskeys and how to serve them. Whiskey drinking customers are very knowledgeable. They will know exactly how they want their whiskey. So you need to know some basic terminology so you understand what they're asking for. If somebody's asking for a shot straight up, we can take our whiskey, we can essentially serve a little under the top. There you go. Straight up shot. Somebody can go and chase that with a beer, maybe a cola, something else, maybe tea, who knows. So coffee I've seen as well. Straight up shot. Somebody might ask for that shot chilled. So if we go and we chill a shot, we're not going to be able to fit it into this glass here because we're going to have a little bit of dilution. So let's go and take that, or take a little bit of ice. Let's take an ounce of our whiskey. So we'll go with Jack Daniels in this case. We'll go and shake this one up. And after we've shaken that, let's go and grab our strainer and go and strain that chilled shot into a double shot glass. You may have a little or a few chunks of ice in there as well, just to show that it is nice and cold. Customer's still gonna go and they're gonna go and shoot that. So they may sip on a little bit, but you can see even the reference line that we end up having on our shot glass, where 1 ounce is, we're a little above that because we do have some dilution going on. We may also have our whiskey served up neat. If we end up having a whiskey served neat, all we're gonna do is put 1 ounce into a shot glass and your customer can go and sip on it accordingly. This is how I like my whiskeys. So just neat in a glass, I can sip on that for half an hour, 45 minutes, depending on how smoky, how peaty it is. Jack Daniels, nice and simple, it goes down really quick. Some people, they can't stand the neat. They want to actually chill things down. So they may ask for ice. And if you're asking for ice and I want like just a few cubes of ice in there, a few cubes of ice is very different to me than it is to you or maybe your customer. So the easiest way to serve it up, give your customer the option. A few cubes of ice on the side, along with a set of tongs. They can then go and add the ice as they want. Some customers, they also want just a little bit of water in there. But again, how much is a little bit of water? Some are just doing 1 drop. Some want to fill the glass halfway. So this is where we end up using something called a sidecar. Sidecar, we can add some water to it, serve it alongside of our whiskey, and we end up having a water back. Customer can then go and just add a little splash in there in order to squash some of the alcohol in there, make it a little less hot so they get more of the flavors coming through without burning out their palate. So a few different ways we can have our whiskeys. Straight up, shaken, neat, with a water back, or with rocks on the side.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.